I stay clutching on my head. Yeah. I know these niggas won't kill me. You the one that I want every night. Who I want every night. You the one that I want on my side. Yeah. Promise for you, alright. Alright. I need you to be.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Quannah and today we're going to talk about this hair. But before we get into this video, I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a video. And why would you not want to know when I post a video? I give you tea on the hair, okay? Any hair I'm rocking, any makeup that I'm doing, I'm gonna give y'all tea about what I do, how I do it. Period. You know, so if you want to know some little details about how I do stuff and all that good stuff, then subscribe. That's the only way you're gonna know. Hello, duh. So anyway, let's get into this video. So this hair is Beauhair off Amazon. I did an unboxing video on this hair. If you want to see that, it's going to be linked down below. Also, I'm going to have a link where you can purchase the hair straight length, since you don't have to go to Amazon, type in none of that. Just click the link and it'll direct you right to the hair. And also, if you want to know, does this hair curl? Sis, I got you on that too. Okay, that's also gonna be linked down below. If you're trying to get in contact with me, all that's gonna be down below. So description box will help you out a lot. Okay, so let's get into this video. I'm gonna tell you the pros and the cons of this hair. You got more pros than you have cons. Okay, so we're gonna get into these pros. You feel me? First off, I don't really have problems out of this hair. Like, you know, other hair you get, you may have a problem out of it. You know, it may tangle a lot, it may shed a lot, you know. But this hair here, I don't have no problems with tangling, okay? No problem with tangling. Flat ironing it straight, back straight, after curling it is a breeze, okay? No problem. I ain't have to constantly try to get it straight, like constantly get the flat iron and just try to get it straight as possible. One pass for me, one pass and it's bone straight, okay? Now another thing about this hair, well, I say about the bundles was also a decent size, okay? Bundles wasn't like small or anything, like they was like the perfect size. They was true to length. They did come with like a little smell. You know how sometimes when you get bundles, you have that little smell to it. So of course I washed the hair. Since I had this hair in, well, since I made this hair out of a wig, basically no problems with washing. I normally wash, oh yeah, y'all too. A lot of people wonder what I wash my hair in. I wash my hair in what is it, Suave Keratin? Yeah, Suave Keratin. You get it from Walmart, okay? You can get it from I think the dollar store too, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So I got the shampoo and conditioner. I shampoo and condition this hair. No problems. I also wash this hair, I think in VO5. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's over there somewhere. I also wash and shampoo the hair in the VO5. I'll tell you exactly what it is. I don't know why I didn't break it, but it's sitting over there in my little hair section. I washed it in there, and actually, it actually did good. Because you know, some stuff you can wash your hair in, it has that little residue, like that little feeling that it's still dirty. But actually, when I wash this hair, none of that, no problems, none of that. When it comes to the frontal 20-inch, plucking it was easy. I didn't have to do too much plucking. You will see when you watch my unboxing video. If you haven't watched my unboxing video, it's gonna be linked down below. Okay, so if you want to see how it looked exactly out of the box, like how the frontal look without me touching it or anything, that's gonna be down below also. Okay, so like I said, check the description box. You're gonna be notified, sis. Okay. Also, with this frontal, when it comes to bleaching it, wasn't no problem. I think I let the bleach sit on this frontal for, I think, the maximum of 20 minutes, I think. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was 20 minutes, probably 25 minutes, probably pushing a little thin. But when I tell you, I didn't have no problems out of bleaching the knots. I just wanted to make sure that my knots were bleached like I needed it to be, so I won't have to do it over again. Also, if you want to know how I bleach my knots and all that good stuff, I also have a video on that also. It's going to be linked down below. I'm telling y'all, like, I'm giving y'all what I do. Like, I'm showing y'all what I do, you know? So the people asking me, hey, why not make some videos about it? So I can just direct you to what I do, period. So, anyways, I also have a video on that. Go check that out also. So when it comes to me making this wig, everything like good, all that. Like, this hair did not give me no problem, like, at all. For the price that I paid for it for Amazon, I think it was a $125.95, I'm not mistaken. I don't know. I think I told the exact price in my unboxing video, so you know. I'm telling y'all all the details about this hair when I unboxing it. My first thoughts on this hair and all is in my unboxing video, so go watch it after you finish watching this video. Okay. Let me see. Let me think. What else? What else can I tell you about his hair? I legit don't have no problems out of this hair at all. Like, I constantly touches my hair. I don't know why I do. You'll see me sometimes do it like this. If you ever see me in the video doing like that, y'all, I like touching my hair. Okay. And another thing about this hair, let me think. I don't know, y'all, cause it's like, it's just good. I mean, like, it's good for the price. $125, 3 bundles, a frontal. How could you go wrong? You cannot go wrong with it at all. You cannot go wrong with it at all. Now, the con, I only got one con for this, and it's shedding. Now, I don't get a lot of shedding though. That's another good thing about it. So it's kind of a pro and a con. You know, you got some people that don't like for their bundles to shed at all, but me, I look at it as it's hair. So of course it's going to like shed, but if you're the type of person that don't like shedding, then go to your local beauty supply store and see do they have some weft sealer. So before you get it installed or made it into a wig or however you want to do your hair, when you order it, get some weft sealer so you won't have to worry about shedding. But me personally, I look at it as it's hair. It's going to shed. Like, it's no big deal, okay? To me, it's not. Some people it is. So, you know, that's a con. But I've been wearing this hair for, I say it's almost about to be a month. Yes, it's all about be gonna be a month. Now you can check all that out, like the day that I bought and everything in the unboxing video. Let me think of another thing that I could say about this hair. Like, I mean, I don't have no problems out of it. I washed it about 3 times, I think 2 or 3 times since I had it and everything. So literally, you know, I don't have no problems. But other than that, yes, y'all. So this concludes the video. I'm telling you, this video is short. So that's how good this hair is. Like, I don't have no problems out of it, y'all. Like, legit, go order this hair. Like, it's true to length, 24 inch, 3 bundles of 24 inch, 20 inch frontal, 125, Amazon, Beauhair. Come on, like, I'm going to drop T on these hair, like on these bundles, on these frontals, on these wigs. All that's gonna be coming on this channel, okay? Any makeup that I get, anything new, if I change anything, video on it, boom. Don't have to worry about it. You won't know none of this stuff until you subscribe. So subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to me. You're gonna love me. You're gonna love my personality. All that good stuff. So yes, if I miss anything in this video, y'all drop it down below in the comment section. I'm going to reply to y'all. I'm not gonna leave y'all just, you feel me? You feel what I'm saying? Like, I'm not gonna leave y'all in the blind. Okay? When I know something, I'm gonna share it with y'all. Period. It's no hiding nothing. Okay? So, yes, y'all. Like I said, this hair gives me no problem at all. Like, it's legit. Now, when I tell y'all, you get what you pay for. You get what you pay for. I'll probably give a 2-month update on this hair. Yeah, I'll probably give a 2-month update on this hair. Let y'all know how it's rocking. What I'm gonna probably do to it next. All that good stuff. So if you want to still be notified on this hair, then all you gotta do is join the family by subscribing. Okay? So, yes, that concludes this video for real, y'all. Like, I ain't finna do no more talking, none of that wootness, you feel me? I'm done with it, okay? So, see y'all in my next video. Bye.